Hello, this is Mr. William, and today's lesson is factoring polynomials. This is our second day. Let's get started. So, two things we do with polynomials. One, we take the product, meaning we put them together, and then we take the factors, which means we take them apart. But they're equal to each other. One is just put together by multiplying, and the other one is taken apart by the method I'll show you right now. All right, so what are factors? Well, these are factors out here. And inside here are what we call products. So let's take 5 and 4. 5 times 4. These are my factors. And my product is 20. Okay? So what are the factors of 90? Let's go down the list. 1, we'll write it this way. Well, we're going to write it this way. 1 times 90 is 90. 2 times 45 is 90. 3 times 30 is 90. 4, we don't have a whole number. We can multiply by 4 to get 90. 5 times 18 is 90. Let's do 6. Let's try 6. 1, 6, 30. Yep. 6 times 15 is 90. And 9 times 10 is 90. So all these numbers, 1, 90, 2, 45, 3, 30, 5, 18, 6, 15, and 9, 10. Those are all factors of 90. Factors of 18. 1 times 18 is 18. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. 4, no. 5, no. We already used 6. Times 3. 7, no. 8, no. And 9, we already used that one. Okay? So these are all factors of 18. So you go ahead and tell me what are the factors of 24 and the factors of 35. All right, so we'll use a different way to find the products, and this is, we'll keep on going. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry about that. So this way is called the box method. Okay, so we take our binomial, we put x 7 here, we put x and 12 here. So we come here and we say, what's x times x? Is x squared. We say, what's x times 7? We get 7x. And then we take 12 times x, and we get 12x. And then we take 12 times 7, and we get 84. So what's our answer? X squared. We add these two together. We get 19x plus 84. So these two are my factors, and this is my product, because I multiplied these two to get that one. Let's try it again. X 9, x 6. X times x gives me x squared. X times 9 gives me 9x. 6 times x gives me 6x. And 6 times 9 gives me 54. So what do I have? I have x squared. Add those two, I get 15x plus 54. So this is equal to that. All right. Go ahead and use the box method to figure out these products. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to find a way to go the other way. We already have the product. Now we want to find the factors. All right, so the method is this. You always take this number, put it in the first box, and this number here. Again, this number, this term goes here, and this term goes here. And what are we going to do? We're going to use our factors to figure it out. Now, how did you get b squared? Obviously, b times b is b squared. So now we're going to take the factors of 7. So 7 is 1 times 7. And that's pretty much it. Those are only factors. So then we ask ourselves, what is 1 plus 7? It equals to 8. Great. That's what we want. We want an 8. So I put a 1 here and a 7 here. It doesn't really matter where it goes. So b times b is b squared. B times 1 is b. 7 times b is b squared. 7 times, is 7b. 7 times 1 is 7. But look what happens here. 7b plus b gives us our 8b. So what's our answer? b plus 1, b plus 7. Now, if you don't believe me, I'm going to check it. How can I check it? I draw a box here, and I take b1, b7. What do I get? b squared. B times 1 is b. 7 times b is 7b. 7 times 1 is 7. B squared plus 8b plus 7. It checks. All right. So here again, first step, x squared here, 64 here. I'm going to put it over here. So 64 is 1 times 64. 2 times 32. 3 doesn't work for 3. 4 times, let me take 64 and divide by 4. 1, 4, 24. 4 times 16. 5 doesn't work. 6 doesn't work. 7. 8 times 8 is 64. So I ask myself the question, what can I add together to get 16? Well, I know that 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So what does that mean? Well, to get x squared, I did x times x. To get 64, I do 8 times 8. And 8 plus 8 is 16. Let's do it. X times x, x squared. X times 8, 8x. X times 8, 8x. 8 times 8, 64. So what do I get? X squared. What's 8 plus 8? 16 plus 64. So what's my answer? 8 x plus 8 x plus 8. Okay. All right. Going to do these two, and you'll do the last two. So let's factor this. X squared goes here. 8 goes here. Automatic. X, x. What are my factors of 8? 8 is 1 times 8. 2 times 4. I see right there, 2 plus 4 gives me 6. I'm going to put my 2 here, my 4 here. It doesn't matter where I put it. I can put that there, 2x, 4x, or I could have put 2 here and 4 here. I still would get 4x 2x, I'd still get my 6. So that gives me x squared plus 6x plus 8. So my answer is x plus 4, x plus 2. All right, it's the last one I'm going to do. You're going to finish up for me. Same thing every time, x squared, 18. What are my factors of 18? 1 times 18. 2 times 9. 3 times 6. But I see here, 2 plus 9 equals 11. That gives me my 11. So x and x give me x squared, 9, and 2. 2 times 9 gives me my 18. X times 9 gives me 9x. And x times 2 gives me 2x. That 9 plus that 2x gives me my 11. So that gives me x squared plus 11x plus 18. So my factors are x plus 9, x plus 2. All right, so we got a couple of problems here for you to do. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon.